Hi, I'm Paul Dempsey, the Editor-in-Chief of Tech Design Forum, and I'm here for one of our latest hot seat interviews at the Mental Graphics booth at DAC 2012. For this one, I'm joined by Dennis Brophy. Dennis is Director for Strategic Business Development in the Design Verification Technology Division of Mental Graphics. Welcome, Dennis.
Thank you, Paul.
So, let's look at the current state of standards in terms of particularly functional verification.
Okay.
What's happening there right now?
Yeah, there's some great things that we've done in the past. We have a really solid base of standard for verification engineer. System Verilog was a great extension to the Verilog language, and which has gotten great uptake in the community, but we've also gone to the next level with it. We've taken it and built a verification methodology around it, UVM, that is now widely deployed and widely accepted. Research that Mentor has commissioned and conducted shows that over 75% of the verification community is using the UVM or its progenitor OVM, which is good news. Now, all of this has allowed for actually a burgeoning growth in industry, just as there is a designed IP business. We have a vibrant verification IP business that's sprung up, small companies to large, and this has really given a boost of productivity to the verification engineers. But one thing that they have been lacking is the ability to take information from different verification sources, whether it's the tools or different things that they have, a collection of technologies, whether it's one company or many. And Accelera has solved that problem today with its first release of the UCIS, the Unified Coverage Interoperability Standard. And so that now is beginning to be adopted by industry as well. 4 companies were noted at the talk as well for already beginning to back and bring the standard to life. So I think the good news for the verification engineer is we're making their job easier to do and hopefully containing the cost that it is going to take to actually verify these very complex semiconductor devices that are being designed right now.
Okay, let's look specifically at this from a Mentor point of view. I mean, how is some of the latest standards activity reflected in tools like, say, for example, Questa?
Well, you know, our users have challenged us to actually work with our competitors so that they could bring information into our environment, and so we've worked on a set of APIs to do that, but they also wanted those to be shared in the industry as well. So we did donate some of the fundamental underlying technology, as an example, into the UCIS standard, and it has set the stage for growth in what you get from our verification tools and technology today. Not just the simulator that you buy anymore, but with all the data and the information that gets generated from these simulation runs, you have to reason on whether you're coming close to closing on your design, your verification task. And so we have built-in verification management and gone to the next level of what it means to actually help the verification engineer get their job done. So the new things for Questa we've been focusing on right now has maybe not been the enabling standards and the things we put in there, but to be able to actually collect a lot of data, do it quickly, and we've seen instances where we've had users take 7 days to read databases, bring all the information together, and we've been able to reduce this to like 7 hours. That time is still long, but can you imagine being able to shrink that time? We've got innovative technology that we've built on top of UVM, one of the standards. Instead of using the built-in constrained random sequence generator, we can replace it with the Questa InFact product, and we've seen designs reach coverage closure more than 100 times faster. 100 times. Imagine a design team working for 6 weeks to get coverage closure, and now they can do it in less than 10 hours.
Wow.
So there's you know, we've done a lot of invention, added some innovative key fundamental algorithmic technology, and then also on top of it the tools to actually look at all that information and do things to it or improve and go on to the next stage of design, which hopefully you're going to get to tape out faster, you're going to get into place and route sooner, and maybe beat your market projections to get your device to market.
Excellent. Thanks very much, Dennis.
My pleasure.
And thank you all for watching. My name's Paul Dempsey, and join us for more hot seat interviews from DAC 2012 here at the Mental Graphics booth.